Hey everyone, it's Nial at LearnToTradeTheMarket.com. Welcome to today's Forex training video. I just want to quickly talk about the story that surrounds today's trade setup. Very briefly, there's been a guy in the forum who's been quite active. He's posted up a sell signal on the GBP USD on a 4-hour chart, and I didn't know about the trade, right? And I've had a couple of emails come through that this guy's posted this setup in the forum, and I'm logging in, looking at this setup, and going, why didn't I see that? I usually look at the 4-hour chart on the cable, and I should have seen the setup, but in fact I was actually out doing things outside. I was actually mowing my lawn at the time, and I came back in and I've seen this post. So the beautiful thing is, and what we've learned here and what everyone should be aware of now, is that our community is at a point of critical mass. You know, we've got over 600 people looking at this forum, and we've got probably 20 to 30 active posters, and that's enough to keep it going, and of course myself. But we're bouncing off each other, and it's not a trading signal service as such. It's a place to discuss what you've learned, and it's a place to talk about trading setups and what's going on in the market. Now, it's not financial advice in any way, it's not trading signals, but it's the next best thing, and that's where you have friends and you have mentors that you can bounce off and learn from. And it's kind of like that story, teach a man to fish, don't give them fish. Do you know what I mean? Like, don't actually get the signals, but learn how to find them. That's what we're about here, and that's what all the people that come to me are looking for, is learning a method as opposed to just getting something handed to them. Alright, so you're actually going to learn a concept that you can use for the rest of your life. Now, price action and the sub niche of trading higher time frames in price action is what we're focusing on, and anything above a 1-hour chart is something I'll personally be looking at on the major pairs. Now, just to get to this setup, we're looking at simple trend analysis, simple swing points, and a very complex price action signal. So two very simple concepts and one very advanced concept, which I go on about in the course. It's called the fakie setup. Now, for those of you that know what the fakie setup is, it's still worth looking at to learn something. You'll see the trend was primarily down at the time. We had this swing point through here providing confluence of resistance at 163.79, and the post that this guy's made in the forum was this large pin bar reversal here, and he also noted the false break of this inside bar cluster. That's where we had 3 inside bars inside this mother candle. When we broke the high, that was the initiation of the signal, but the confirmed entry for me would have been on the close of that pin bar itself, and the more conservative entry for some traders would have been the break of that mother candle, that outside bar. So really it's just a false break up towards that key level at 163.79. We've reversed back down, confirming the short entry, and the market has then fallen away and hit the target. Now, obviously this has occurred in the past. This is not trading advice. I don't go and trade based on this information. It's for educational purposes only. I'd like you to seriously consider joining our Forex trading community here. You're going to learn plenty of stuff. It's an ongoing thing. We've got videos, the Forex course, the Forex membership forum, and also access to me on the email. I think it's only fair that you check it out for the effort that I put into it. If you'd like to learn more, you can check it out on my website, www.learntotradethemarket.com. We'll hopefully see you in the members section. Take care and happy trading.